Yeah, boy.
We make hamburgers like meatloaf. So these are the ingredients. We got some ground beef. We got some bread. We got some nice, cool, clean eggs. We got some ketchup. And we got some beefy onions. Now y'all might be thinking, why are we using ketchup to put in a hamburger?
Why?
It's just, we like it. It's giving up what texture to us. It's like ketchup, then more. So y'all gonna see, when y'all see the video, y'all just gonna say, oh, that do look good. Y'all right. First thing is to wash our hands. Step 1, wash your hands. Make sure y'all wash your hands. We're gonna wash our hands. You understand? It's the proper way. So make sure you wash your hands before you begin. Okay, let's start washing our hands first. Shake your hands. Okay, first ingredient. Okay, here we go. Some beef is time to open. Our family don't use all of it. We only need half of it. Here.
Ooh.
Next, we need to get this. The next ingredient is ketchup. Now we have to mix it up. Oh, no, we got one more ingredient. Bread. We got guys, we want our bread. Shake it up. Oh, no, do not do that. Next ingredient is the egg. I think one egg is okay, let's try it. I think that's enough eggs for today. Next ingredient is mixing up. We are going to mix our present and turn them into round circles by smushing them and smushing them and keep smushing it until it's flat. And we're going to put it on this little foil and we're going to bake it. Cook it. Why cook it? Let's get started. It actually smells great, guys. It smells like actually hamburger even when you cook it out. Ready? Almost ready. You can smell the onion and all the ketchup. Ready? Bread, you can smell all that nice. Why is it so cold though? Now we just put it in the freezer. That's why. It's just freezing. Got it out of the freezer, you mean? Okay, guys. Now with the meat is mixed up, we're gonna make them two balls and smush. Look at the baby patty. Oh, it feels good. It feels mushy. It feels good. It feels like potatoes inside. Oh, but it definitely smells delicious. You can tell this is so good, and it's not even cooking. It smells good.
Well, Zida, I think I want it.
For real, I like the smell of this patty.
Zida, I think I want it to smell good. I mean,
It's your hanger, like when you hold it, stays this way, because you don't want it that way. Because when you walk into it or try to cook it, you can get hurt, and you can throw the food off or get dirty green burns, and we don't want that to happen.
We couldn't get the spray to work, so we need a little help from Mommy.
Now we're gonna flip it. Rotate it, rotate it. Keep going.
Good job. One more, Zidi.
Now we flip the other side of the pan. We're gonna get our grease to warm up our fries.
Help me! Help me!
Let the grease get hot, and then we pour the French fries in. Now we are going to let that cook while we going to make our hamburgers. We're going to make our buns for our hamburgers. Our patties are done, and our fries.
Yum!
We done with our hamburgers, guys. How you like mine? How you like mine? Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.